Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we had done an experiment on salinity. Today, we are going to study world salinity of seawater. Open your textbook, page number 53. Always remember, what is meant by salinity of water? Children, the weight of all dissolved salt in water in ratio of parts per thousand of water is called the salinity of seawater. For example, if the weight of dissolved salt in 1000 gram, that is 1 kg of seawater is 40 gram, then the salinity is 40 per 1000 parts. Children, the instrument which using to measure seawater are hydrometer, refractometer and salinometer. These are the instrument used to measure the salinity of seawater. Okay. Now, observe the map and answer the following question. Figure 6.9, page number 53. This map showing salinity of seawater. So, let us see the questions one by one. First one, what is the salinity around the tropics? The salinity around the tropic is about 36%. Next question, which region has the least salinity or less salinity? The region where there is a lot of addition of fresh water, that is many rivers flow into the sea, heavy rainfall in the region result in the least salinity. For example, Bay of Bengal has the least salinity or less salinity. Next question, which ocean has the salinity more than 37%? Atlantic Ocean has the salinity more than 37%. Next question, what are the reasons of difference in salinity on a global level? The reasons of difference in salinity on a global level are the factors on which the salinity depends, like a rate of evaporation, addition of fresh water by many rivers flowing into sea, or rainfall, or addition of meltwater. These are the factors responsible for the salinity of global level in the ocean water. Let us move forward. Geographical explanation. The most important factors affect the salinity of seawater are uneven distribution of temperature on earth, uneven supply of fresh water, etc. Children, in tropical zone, that is near the equator, here the temperature is very high. So, evaporation is also higher. Therefore, salinity is higher near the equator. At the same time, around 5 degree north and 5 degree south of equator, that is little far away from the equator, the sky is always cloudy for a long period of time and conventional type of rainfall occur every day. Larger rivers like Congo and Amazon in the equatorial region meet the sea, so the supply of fresh water is abundant here, but due to higher temperature, rate of evaporation also more. Therefore, sea in this area are more saline. Now, next paragraph about mid-latitudinal zone, that is 25 degree to 35 degree north and south latitude. Here in this area, rainfall is very less and supply of fresh water from rivers also very less. This zone has hot desert in the world. Therefore, salinity of seawater found here is very high. In the polar areas, temperature is very low. Evaporation is also less. Of course, salinity of seawater also less in polar area. Next one is about landlocked sea and open sea. Landlocked sea have higher salinity than open sea. The reason is evaporation is more and there is lack of fresh water from large rivers. So, there is difference in salinity of open sea and closed sea. For example, average salinity of Mediterranean Sea is a landlocked sea. Its average salinity is 39% per thousand part, while the salinity of the most saline ocean, that is Atlantic Ocean, its salinity is 35% per thousand part. Already I told Mediterranean Sea is a landlocked sea. At the same time, Atlantic Ocean is an open ocean. Okay. Now children, page number 54, do you know? Some of the interesting factors of Dead Sea is given here. Let us go through that. The name of the sea itself gives an idea of the condition there. Children, we cannot find any living organism in Dead Sea due to high salinity. The sea laying on the border of Israel and Jordan has a salinity of 332 per thousand parts. Children, already we came to understand the average salinity of seawater is 35 per thousand part. But the salinity of Dead Sea is 332 per thousand part. And Jordan is the only large river meeting the sea. So, Dead Sea getting fresh water only from Jordan River. Low rainfall in this area, low supply of fresh water and high evaporation are the reason of high salinity. Children, there is no life here except few unicellular organisms. The fish coming from the river Jordan, it die as soon as it enter into Dead Sea due to high salinity. And because of high salinity, saline pillars have developed in Dead Sea. Some of them we can see it come out of the surface. The density of water is also high because of high salinity. Children, some of the interesting factor of Dead Sea is one can never drown in sea. We can easily float when we go in the sea water. Another characteristics of Dead Sea is the land here is below the main sea level. It is one of the places having the lowest elevation. Elevation means height. Elevation on the earth. In some areas of Dead Sea, the altitude or the height is minus 400 meter. Okay. Children, today we stop here. In the next class, we will study density of seawater. Complete your assignment.